Round 36, color B. We join new yarn with standing back loop single crochet in last stitch of any repeat of previous round. Well, as you remember, our last stitch of previous round was right on top of marked stitch. So here is the indicated stitch. We made slip stitch in standing single crochet of round 35, and we are making back loop single crochet exactly in it, and our marked stitch is exactly under the stitch selected. So standing back loop single crochet in it. This is our standing stitch of the round, and at the same time the last one, and it is not included in repetitions. And now we begin our first repeat out of 4. Back loop single crochet in next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then back loop half double crochet in next 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please continue, and I will meet you after we will have all 36 back loop half double crochet made. Okay, and I have all 36 back loop half double crochet made. Let's continue. Half double crochet in next chain 1 space. Front post half double crochet around next stitch, which is a cluster of 3 double crochet. In next chain 2 space, 2 half double crochet. 1, 2. Front post half double crochet around next cluster. In next chain 3 space, 4 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now around next cluster combination of stitches. First we are making front post double crochet, chain 2, and one more front post double crochet around the same cluster, and this is our corner group. Here it is. Then in next chain 3, in chain 3, 4 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then front post half double crochet around next cluster. In next chain 2 space, 2 half double crochet. Front post half double crochet around next cluster. And then in next chain 1 space, half double crochet, just 1. And now in next 36 stitches, back loop half double crochet. So let's start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 37, and so on. Please continue till you'll have all 36 back loop half double crochet made. Okay, I have all 36 back loop half double crochet made, and now we need to make 7 back loop single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And our last, the 7th back loop single crochet is made exact on top of the marked stitch of round 28. And then please continue with all repeats to the end of the round, and when you will finally reach it, your last elements will be 6 back loop single crochet and then slip stitch in standing back loop single crochet. Please do not fasten off. Next round we'll make of the same color. Round 37, color B. We continue with the same color. Chain 1, that doesn't count as a stitch. Single crochet in the same stitch. And now we begin our first repeat out of 4. This is an easy round. We'll just make single crochet and corner chain 2 spaces. So we start our first repeat with single crochet in next 52 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and please continue till you'll have all 52 single crochet made. Okay, here are all stitches made, and we reached corner chain 2 space, and we make a corner group in it. 2 single crochet, chain 2, and 2 single crochet more in the same corner chain 2 space. Done. And now single crochet in next 53 stitches. Please don't miss the first one, it might be a bit hidden. So let's start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on till you'll have all 53 stitches. And finally all 53 single crochet made, and once again we are right on top of marked stitch. We finished our first repeat out of 4. Please continue to the end of the round. And when you will finally reach it, your last elements will be 52 single crochet and then slip stitch in a first single crochet of the round. Please do not fasten off. Next round we'll continue with the same color. Round 38, we continue with the same color, color B, and my congratulations to all of you who reached this round. This is the last round of Cancer Crochet Mandala, and it is pretty much the same that previous round 37. So, chain 1, that does not count as a stitch, and single crochet in the same stitch. And now we begin our first repeat out of 4, and we need to make single crochet in next 54 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on till you'll have all 54 single crochet made. Okay, all 54 single crochet done, and we reached corner chain 2 space. This time we are making the following corner group: single crochet, chain 2, and one more single crochet in the same corner chain 2 space. And now single crochet in next 55 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on till you will have 55 single crochet made. Okay, and now all 55 single crochet done. Once again, our last 55th single crochet is right on top of marked stitch. And our first big repeat out of 4 is done. Please continue with the next ones, and when you will finally reach the end of the round, your last stitches will be 54 single crochet and then slip stitch in first single crochet of the round. And my congratulations, your mandala is done. Easy stitches to everyone, and I will be happy to see you in the next project where we will be making Leo crochet mandala. Sorry, I'm back because I forgot to show you how the finished mandala looks like. Here it is. The size of the mandala is 57 centimeters, which is a bit more than 22 inches. I'm very happy with the result, and I'm absolutely sure that your mandalas will look very nice as well. Easy stitches to everyone, and see you soon.